You're on the video side now. End of the day, class is done. What you think about the class?
Man, I'm going to tell you like this. I didn't have any knowledge whatsoever before I came into our guns, except for just what you said, but with this particular program, him, Rick, I became completely knowledgeable from everything from the law to how to use guns to proper stances to, you know, just learning how and what to use when you pull the trigger. I didn't even know you had to use the real first part of him. So, I mean, he's very knowledgeable. I really recommend this class to anybody.
And the legal portion? What you think about Joe?
Joe actually was very knowledgeable. I mean, it was things that I had confused because I heard it from different people. So he actually did a lot of clarity on that because it was things I didn't even know or things that I had misconstrued because other people had told me. So very knowledgeable. I had this card, so if anything happens, you know, I can give
2:30 in the morning, Joe getting taking the phone call.
Right.
And was this your first time shooting?
Yes, it was.
What you think about it?
Very relaxing. It's like you play like video games. It feels like the same thing almost except for the recoil part, but nothing big. I mean, I guess I'm a big guy, so it's not like you.
Wait till you shoot a 45.
Wait till I shoot my Desert Eagle.
There's no difference. Oh, you got one or you get one?
No, I'm getting one.
He getting one.
I'm going to come back and do another YouTube and say like, yeah, I'm going to stick with the Glock.
Ask him if you can rent it and shoot it.
Right.
Hold that target up. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, after you kill a man and slip around on his guts. Thank you so